One little ladybug with spots of black and red landed on a leaf and rested her head. Two little lollipops, one red and one blue, a sugary treat for me and you. Three little lizards basked in the sun on a large rock, having lots of fun. Four little lions, bold and free, playing and roaring as happy as can be. Five little lilies swayed in the breeze, spread their fragrance with such ease. Six little lambs, so soft and white, in the meadow they skip with delight. Seven little lemons hanging in a row, dancing in the wind to and fro. Eight little leaves so green and bright, dancing in the breeze with all their might. Nine little lightning bolts lit up the night, dancing and flickering, a stunning sight. 10 little lobsters on the shore, looking for something delicious to explore. So that's the end of our little rhyme. We hope you had a great time. Learning numbers with things that start with L is now something that you can tell.